Assalamu alaikum. I'm Gibran from Seven Skies International. Today, I will do a fun experiment and I want you to watch carefully what happens to the drop of food color as I add it in a glass of hot water and a glass of cold water. Notice how the food color diffuses properly and evenly in the hot water, and the opposite happens when I add food color in the cold water. The food color particles will mix until they are evenly distributed and the water in both glasses is colored. Can anyone guess why this happens? This happens because of the kinetic properties of particles in the hot water and the cold water. Food coloring in water diffuses until it's evenly distributed throughout the liquid. The particles in hot water have more energy than the cold water. The energy in the hot water passes to the food color and it quickly fills the entire glass, whereas the food color in the cold water glass stays on one side of the glass and finally goes to the bottom slowly. Today, we learned about diffusion. Diffusion is a result of the kinetic properties of particles of matter. It is the movement of a fluid from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration.